So today we will see data handling, the chapter data handling. So why the data is used and what is the need of handling the data. So actually whenever we have the data, to study it more clearly, we use, first is the frequency table. Like if we have some numbers from 800 to 900, and from 800 to 900 not all the numbers are coming, only few numbers are coming. Like you can see from 800 to 810 there are only three numbers. Okay, so this table help us to see like how many numbers are within the range we have, and to make it more clear we use either the bar graph or the frequency or the histogram. So this also you have seen already. So to make it more clear, like sometimes reading becomes very difficult, so we use it as a picture. So here you can see, so in the pictorial form, or this is the histogram form, so here reading the data and observing it becomes very easy. So either you can draw a histogram according to the table, according to the data, or either you can draw a bar graph. So there you will see, knowing the data will become more easier. So here see, you don't have to read a lot. Here you can easily say that from 800 to 810 how many wages, like those people who are getting wages from 800 to 810 will be how many? 3. Like those workers who are getting wages from 810 to 820 will be 2. So like this, now the data becomes easier to understand, like what is given in the data. Here also you can easily see on the x-axis, you can see the persons are there, women, man, boy and girl. On the y-axis we have number of shoppers. So you can easily say like women shoppers are maximum, and how many women shoppers are there? There are 28 women shoppers. The men are how many? 16, and there are 4 boys who go for shop, and the girls are like 10. Okay, so it becomes very easy if you use as a pictorial form. The data you can use as the pictorial form. Here there is another way of representing the data, that is a pie chart. Okay, so this is the pie chart. So here you can see the sleep hour is maximum, that is 8 hours, and here the school, a student goes to school 6 hours, and for playing time he uses 3 hours, and 3 hours he is using for the other activities, and 4 hours he is using for the homework. So like this, in the pictorial form it becomes very easy to understand the data. So we use these pictorial forms. So today I will discuss with you how to draw the pie chart or the circle chart. So for making the pie chart, I have taken this data. Suppose we have students who likes the flavors chocolate, vanilla and other flavors. So the student who like chocolate flavor are 50%, those who like vanilla is 25%, and other flavors liked by 25%. So to the step for making the graph is, first you will find out the fraction. Actually here the number of students are given as a percentage, so you will write the fraction, okay, in the fraction form. So the first fraction will be 50 by 100, so you will get 1 by 2. The same way second, you will get 25 by 100, so it will give you 1 by 4. The last one will be also 25 by 100, so it will give you again 1 by 4. So like this you will get the fraction. So first step is to get the fraction. Then always the pie chart is in the circular form, so we will just find out the corresponding angle for this particular area. Like, so here you know that the sum of the angle or the total angle is 360 degree. So now we will find out the angle. So for finding the angle, what you have to do is you will take the fraction and then multiply it with 360, so you will get the angle. So here this will be 180 degree, then 1/4 of 360 will give you 90, and then 1/4 of 360 will give you 90 degrees. Now from where I have taken all this, this is half, the first value is giving you half, so half into 360 is 180. 1/4 into 360 is 90. 1/4 into 360 is again 90. So finally you will get this table. And now the important step is to draw the pie chart. Now to make a pie chart, the first step is to draw a circle. So first step, you will draw a circle. So you can draw a circle with any radius. Okay. So now the second step is we will draw these angles one by one. So first step, just take the center. So from the center, first you will draw a line. Okay. So this is the line. Now here you will keep your protractor and you will try to make the angle, the first angle, that is 180 degree. So here I'll make the 180 degree. Now it's very easy to make 180 degree. You can just make it a straight line. So it will be a 180 degree. So 180 degree we have done. So here you can write, this is the area of the students who like chocolate. Okay. Now the second is 90 degree. 90 degree is also easy to make. You can just put the protractor taking this as the base. Okay. So here what you will do, just take this line, put your protractor here, and from here taking this as a line downwards, you will go downwards, and downward you will make an angle 90 degree. I'm using a different color so that it will be easier for you to understand. So this is 90 degree. Okay. And now another, obviously this will be 90 degree. We have only 3 parts. So like this we can draw our pie chart. So hope you are getting. So this is the vanilla and this is the other flavors. And here also you can write the percentage, like 50%. So either you can write, you don't have to mention these things, you can mention it outside as well. Now I am taking another condition when it is not given percentage. So here you can see these are the items and these are the sales in rupees, like the price of these. So 320 rupees for ordinary bread. So in fraction, first you will find out the fraction. So for finding the fraction, first what you will do, you will find out the total of all this. So total of all this will be 720. Okay, if we'll count all this, then sum of all this is 720. So for finding the fraction, what you have to do, take this value divided with 720 and you will get the fraction. And after that the process will be same, just 4 by 9 into 360. So you will get these angles. Okay, so for second fraction, what you have to do, 120 divided by the total, that is 720, and then you will get the fraction. Then fraction into 360, you will get the required angle. So like this you will obtain the angles, and after that you can draw the pie chart.